Wait. So what's going on today, boys?
We're doing an oil change, and we're fixing my exhaust.
What's wrong with your exhaust?
I'm running an open fucking header.
Now, why would that be?
Because I'm a retard and over tightened my shit.
And then what happened?
My shit fell off.
And who told you to not do that?
Jesus.
What's Jesus' name?
Jesus.
Uh-huh, it was me, motherfucker. What's that? Alright, B.
Muffler and tailpipe sealer.
Alright, B. You got that in his engine. No car project is complete without an ice cold brew.
Jesus Christ, it's fucking fresh.
That looks just fucking beautiful.
Is that semen?
So good. Did you read the instructions on this?
Yeah, should apply twice. Hey, it's a good song. I'm surprised Chris knew who this was.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know who it is?
Nope.
I don't think it's gonna fucking fit. We might have to loosen it up. There it is. Oh yeah. Fuck, quit. It's not gonna fuck it up.
Vincent.
Might need a better mount.
So the bolts Alvin bought were too short, so we gave up on that, and now he's just changing his oil, but you can't see.
We didn't give up on it, bud.
We gave up on it for now, and then he's gonna try to change his oil or his tranny fluid.
And we're gonna go to Bort's and grab ourselves a couple bolts. And...
Ground. Right as soon as I pour it in. Yeet. Yeet. Yeet.
Oh yeah, there's the...
No, the real test is how high you can go.
12 in the morning, pop shells for a living and berry gon' smell blood trail every minute road wave and you niggas no fair.
We're going to Bort's Hardware to buy fucking bolts because the bolts that I bought don't fucking fit at all. So we have to go get new ones.
What's wrong with your motor mounts?
My motor mounts are fucking shot.
Yeah.
Just the one, bud. Just the one. And it's the lower fucking one. So I
They're
gotta change
all
all three.
fucked.
The rear.
It's fucked.
Hey, did you get new bolts for your struts yet?
Joey, get out of... Wait, you got the door shut?
Image for me to realize I didn't have
We're
to
not
be
even in the
self-conscious about my
stance
stubborn
part.
fat
We
anymore.
have stance
And you don't have
problems.
these right now.
I had that girl dying.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Snakes, do you mind if I...
Just don't make a mess.
I won't.
Child.
Hey, hey.
On our way to Bort's.
I went to Bort's to get some bolts.
My name is Bart.
Alright, fuck you, bud. Alvin, what are you doing now, bud? What did we just do?
What?
What did we just do?
We just went and bought fucking bolts, bud.
From where?
From Bort's.
Bort's what?
Hardware.
Shout out board, sponsor us. Half of our cars are held together by your bolts.
Yes, they are. Joe, that looks like you're pointed at my arm. I hope you know.
No, that's straight, bud.
You're good.
It's a good. It's good.
Fisheye does, bud.
But I know what the fisheye is. I bought it, bud.
Let's see that little cocksucker. Is this the one that?
Hey, bud.
What's up, bud?
Oh, you need to get the other one started first.
Yeah, you dumb fuck.
How the fuck am I supposed to get that bolt through?
Don't you worry, not trying to see if this thing's even gonna get. It's not. That thing's way too small.
Well, that was the other gasket that I had. The other one's fucking on the ground somewhere. God knows where.
Sheared metal on my eye right now.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Some fries, motherfucker.
Red eyes, motherfucker.
Surprise, motherfucker. Alright, motherfucker. Rude eyes, motherfucker.
The other day, sitting there, he goes, guys, did you know that race car spelled backwards is race car? And did you know that race car sideways is how Paul Walker died?
Well, the bolts worked. The gasket was a little small, so we fucking just doused it in exhaust sealer from Advanced Auto. Changed the oil, and that's about it.
Now we're gonna start her up. We'll drop her and then start her. She don't leak as much anymore now.
I mean, the fact that you can see smoke out of here now.
Yeah.
Huh?
Run over my fucking foot, I dare you.
I was like, can see you the whole time, but.
Scared.